Hi guys, this is Jayashri and in this video we are going to learn how to draw the basic diagram of human heart in the most easiest manner. First, to start with, we are going to draw a curved V-shaped structure with its lower end slightly tilted towards the left. Next, we will draw two pipes on either side and then we are going to add two more pipes but at the top. Thereafter, we will draw septum, which is a muscular layer which divides our heart into left and right part. Next, we are going to draw the walls of the heart, making sure that the ventricles have thick wall in comparison to atria or auricles. Next, we are going to draw the valves which ensures the unidirectional flow of blood in the heart, that is from atrium to ventricles. So this is just the basic diagram of human heart. If you want, you can add other details to it. Say for example, you can add inferior vena cava, which I haven't added over here. You can add or you can draw pericardium, which surrounds the heart, and things like that. So depending upon your requirement, you can modify this diagram a bit. I hope you found this video useful, and if so, please do like this video and also subscribe to my channel JV Tutorials. Do like, subscribe and share this video.